Bittensor might advance 4.7% by May 17, CoinLore suggests. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. Bittensor is showing a 9.6% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $270.32. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. CoinDataFlow suggests the asset may retreat to $263.98 tomorrow, about 2.4% down from current value. 30 Rate sees potential for Bittensor to drop to $267, a loss close to 1.2%. According to CoinPrice forecast, it might move upward toward $274, around 1.4% higher. A different forecast by CoinLore shows Bittensor could move upward to $283.16, a projected increase close to 4.7%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions targets $300.83 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 11.3%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. That's your lineup of forecasts. Let's keep going. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decline of 2.4% and an increase of 11.3%, depending on the analyst. That means Crypto Predictions is set to achieve the highest return with 11.3% rise in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you could earn between $12 and $113 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility trends into account, 30 Rates' forecast ranks first with a 93.7% chance of success. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The average outlook positions Bittensor at about $277.79. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus view places the price 2.8% higher than current levels. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $28 in return. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 86.9%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. CoinDataFlow sees Bittensor losing ground. Similarly, 30 Rates points to further downside potential. CoinPrice forecast projects the price moving north in the short term. Also, CoinLore points to the price breaking higher in the short term. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions expects the market to keep trending upward. By merging analyst expectations, the consensus paints a picture of steady upward momentum for Bittensor across the 3-day outlook. Altogether, 60% of forecasts suggest Bittensor could move higher. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the market settled at $285.24. Just 2 forecasts captured the true direction. Looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow turned out most precise. Time to open up the details and review them. Yesterday's candle included 4 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, all analysts achieved positive outcomes this time. On screen is the performance summary. The combined outcomes for every forecast. CoinDataFlow reached accuracy, while forecast probability was 78.6% and ROI 3.6%. Look at the performance. Who seems to have captured the trend most clearly? Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Bittensor. Among tomorrow's forecasts, the asset in focus is ahead with 2.8% profitability. In this section, Bittensor is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. That's it, everyone. Subscribe so you don't miss the next potential breakout. See you next time.